Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
First of
afternoon.
all, we all welcome you to this Bharti YouTube channel
Thank
to
you.
uh, sharing your overviews on the many issues and many medical issues. So once again, welcome and thank you for visiting our channel, ma'am. Once again, I would like to introduce you to our viewers that she is Dr. Sonal Singh, and she is BHMS and having the 7 to 8 year experience in the Mahavir Cancer Sansthan, and having the good enough experience regarding the viral diseases and all like the cancerous and AIDS and chronic these kind of a disease. So this is the introduction of Madam Sonal Singh, and now, Madam, I would like to once again welcome you and asking the questions.
Okay.
So please, my viewers needs your good suggestions and answers regarding the current scenario, coronavirus.
It's okay.
Ma'am, first of all, I would like to ask you, what is coronavirus and what is the full form of this acronym coronavirus 19?
Okay. First of all, I want to say that the full name of or COVID-19 is CO for corona, VI for virus, and D for disease. And 19 denotes the 2019 when this disease emerged in Wuhan, in China. So this is the full name. And the coronavirus is a virus. Like most of all the viruses, it having the single standard RNA as a genetic material and protein. And the outer edge of this virus is having the spikes, and spikes means protein. And this spherical structure and the spikes is same as a crown. So the name is suggested as corona, means crown like.
Okay, means corona is having the crown like a structure and spikes like crown.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's why the name is Corona 19.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and it emerges in the 19, so it
Yeah.
has come like that Corona
19,
COVID 19.
COVID-19, yes.
Okay, ma'am, can I know what is the difference between these coronavirus and other virus like AIDS, like influenza, like influenza virus, AIDS virus, and another viral diseases? So any
Smallpox, chickenpox,
chickenpox,
herpes.
smallpox,
Yes.
right, right.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So can I know what is the difference between these viruses and coronaviruses?
Yes. Firstly, I want to say that, I want to say that this is a very common thing, and all the literate person, I think, should know that the virus is a connecting link between living and non-living. When the virus present in the atmosphere, it acts like a non-living thing. It's present all over, anywhere, but in the atmosphere it acts as a non-living thing. But when it enters in a human body or any uh, living things, it acts as a living body. So the coronavirus is also a virus, and like most of all viruses, it having the genetic material as a single stranded RNA. Um, all the viruses are having the genetic material single stranded or double stranded RNA or DNA. Like smallpox or chickenpox viruses having the genetic material as a DNA, or herpes virus also. And the AIDS virus having the single stranded RNA as a genetic material, and protein is common in all the viruses.
It means
So like the coronavirus is also having the single stranded RNA and protein.
means you want to say there is no any structural differences?
Yes, the basic difference is present in the genetic material.
Genetic materials.
Yes, either the genetic material is as a DNA or as a RNA.
Okay, it means, ma'am, if you have told the AIDS virus is having the genetic material is RNA single strain,
Yes.
and it is also corona is having the same. And then I want to say ki, is the any AIDS vaccine is also applicable for the corona?
No, the AIDS vaccine is not applicable for the corona, because when the AIDS virus is AIDS virus having the single stranded RNA and protein, and when the AIDS virus enters in the human body, it changes the single stranded RNA into DNA and replicates in the or copied in the human body, and multiply their number. So but in coronavirus this is not happen. In coronavirus the RNA not changes into DNA, and so the basic difference is that. So
It means ki mode of action of all viruses are different.
yes, mode of action of all viruses is different, and when like the decades is going, every 4 to 5 years we see the new type of viruses.
Okay.
In this coronavirus is connected to the SARS virus, which emerged in the 2002-2004. SARS is also a severe acute respiratory syndrome. The full form is severe acute respiratory syndrome, means SARS.
Okay.
So SARS is also a unknown respiratory disease, and sometimes it was also fatal like corona. So I think SARS and corona is connected to.
It means you want to say कि SARS virus is having the SARS virus
having the
similarity with the coronavirus, and
Yes.
it is the new formulation and new form.
It is more upgraded form of SARS.
SARS.
Yes, more.
Okay. So can we have the SARS virus vaccine?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes, I don't know.
Okay. So how the SARS virus pandemic situation has been? How this SARS virus pandemic situation has been controlled? You don't know.
Yeah, no. Sorry.
Okay. Ma'am, what is the actual mode of action of coronavirus? How it acts in the body?
Okay. Coronavirus, when corona, the spikes of corona enters in the human body, the viral membranes outbreaks, and it fuses with cell membrane of human body.
Okay.
And spikes binds to the receptors of cell membrane.
Okay.
And the receptor name is angiotensin 2.
Okay.
So and start the copying themselves or replicating themselves.
Okay. And it means that another virus is having the mode of action is different.
Yes.
Corona's mode of action is different.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So this is the this time, because of this the struggle.
The world is struggling
World is struggling
to prevent from the
to
corona.
prevent from the corona, because
Okay.
this is the basic reason.
This is the basic reason.
Yes, it
So-
is hard to struggle to corona.
It is hard to struggle to corona. Okay. What is the preventive measures except sanitization and wash the hands and don't touch the mouth and eyes, except these things?
So
इन चीज़ों को छोड़कर you tell me what is the preventive measures can be taken?
the preventive measures, first of all, temperature is playing a very good role in to control the coronavirus. When the hot temperature is not favorable for corona, and the cold temperature is favorable for corona. So that at the 26 to 27 degrees C, the coronavirus deactivates, and the activity of coronavirus is very less at the more than 26 to 27 degrees C. So when if we if we go to outside from home for any emergency work, and when we come back to the home, so we should drink half glass or full glass of hot water and
Okay.
sip it to 4 to 5 times.
Okay.
It gives the preventive measures, because if corona enters in your mouth, if coronavirus is uh, enters in the mouth, so the hot water sip is
We'll carry it in the
in-
through esophagus to stomach, and
Yes.
there the acid activity is there, and the virus will will take.
yes,
Okay,
definitely.
okay. It means he sipping the hot water and taking the tea, like
Yes,
these things
हाँ,
is
हाँ.
whenever
we should take hot drinks, we should take
it means
tea.
temperature is playing good role.
Yes, temperature
Ma'am,
is playing good role.
Can we do one thing? Might be that is the imaginary thing. If you are saying ki temperature is playing good role. If we raise the temperature of a room is more than 30 degree, 30 to 35 degree,
Yes,
will it be helpful for the safety of this room?
it might be.
Might be,
Yes,
not definite.
not definitely, because it yes, might be.
Might be.
Yes.
It means अगर if there any heater या blower which raise the temperature of this house, like central AC you are telling, central AC is shrinking the temperature of the whole whole room या
Whole
whole house.
Yes.
So similarly, if there is any temperature rising
Equipment.
pumping equipments,
Yes.
if it is to be activated,
Yes.
then the maybe chances this room will be corona free and like these virus free.
Yes, I think so.
So that means it should be communicated to the public. Raise your temperatures of the room, and take hot waters and hot bath. All
Yes.
these.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's a message.
Yeah, it should be a message.
It should be a message.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you once again. I think there is no any questions we have, and thank you once
Thank
again,
you.
ma'am, and thank you for this coming in our YouTube channel. तो ये थी